Hello traders, welcome once again to the new video by Flash Trade 1. On the screen you can see that I am on the live account and I am updating this account as of now for the 5th time. We'll see the total profit in this account during 5th update. Then it's $86,000 total profit into this. You can see that it's 86,000 with deposit of 64,000 and withdrawal of 58,000, and certain withdrawals and deposits were made, but every time the base capital of the account was maintained to be $10K with withdrawal of $3,500 on this account. So client has made the withdrawal of $3,500 on his account and kept 10,000 as a base capital on his account, and on the 10,000 base capital we have earned $86,000 profit. We'll see that when the trading was started and an $86,000 profit is made on what capital. So you can see over here that on 4th of June, on 6th of April, yes, on 6th of April 2020, $10,000 were deposited on this account with the order ID 2988933, and as of now $86,000 profit has been booked on this account. So 860% return in 11 months if we count. Then on the 6th of March the 11 months has been completed on this account, and as of now the time period on this account is 11 months and 6 days on today, or 12th of March 2021. Here you can see that here we just trade Euro USD on this account, and the trades here are the holding trades. You can see that here the trade was placed at 18 and the same trades were closed at 11. So, and you just check the date. The trade was placed at 9th of April 2020, and the same trade was closed at 9th of April 2020 at 4 o'clock. Here at 3 o'clock the trade was placed. So here the holding trades are being used. So we use M15, M30 and H1 time frame to place the trades on this account in Euro USD as per the buy or sell indication shown by our multiple in one trend indicator and our support and demand indicator. The lot size on this account is 1. You can see that it's maintained to be 1. Now I'm moving down and check the lot size, that it's been 0.91. so we are trading here the lot size of 1 to 2.0 maximum. Compounding is not used and just fixed lot size trading is being done into this account. We'll see the previous 4 updates of this account, and you can see that this was the 4th update of this account made on 26th of February 2021. So after 14 days I'm updating this account. During 4th update the profit on the account was $83,400. As of now it's increased to 86. The profit has been increased to $86,000, and you can, in all the previous 4 updates, you can verify the first order ID of this account which I've shown in this video, and verify that the account that I'm showing as of now and the account that I've shown in previous 4 updates, all of them are same. Now let me tell you that this is the account number 2 of our 24/7 live streaming. This is the account number 1 and this is the account number 3. In account 1 just gold is traded, here Euro USD is traded, just Euro USD is traded, and here mixed pairs are traded on this account. And you can see that here $86,000 profit has been booked with deposit of 64,000 and withdrawal of 58,000. The same thing we have just seen in this account. And the last trade on this account, let me clear it. and you would be able to see that you would be able to see this 24/7 live streaming through the link. I will put the link of this 24/7 live streaming into the description of the video. So anytime if you wish to see the progress in the account, then you just need to visit the live streaming and you can see the profit or loss made on this account. Not only this, whenever the trades are or whenever the trade will be placed on this account, then the notification containing all the information about that trade is going to be sent on the Telegram. The Telegram channel is t.me trades02. You can join this Telegram channel, and here the trades are going to be placed. Here you can see that whenever an order is going to be closed, then along with the order ID a notification is sent that here the profit or loss of $27.54 has been closed in this account, and the net balance of the account is this. So this is an order close. So using the order ID you can confirm that now you need to close the order, and this is the order placed notification, that this is the order ID. The trade is being placed in Euro USD with sell price at this, lot size is this, and you need to set the TP at this price. So with this information you can easily place the trade in your MT4 account, and you can earn 75 to 80% of profit per month just by following this ready-made trades. Even lot size is given to you, price is given to you. You just need to put the trade manually in this account whenever a message comes on this Telegram channel. And if you do not have time to trade manually, then you can just join our mirror trading service, and you can be part of such kind of profit of $86,000 or 75 to 80% profit per month into your account. Here this account is traded with a safe risk strategy, where risk on your capital will be 10 to 15%. Fixed lot size is going to be traded on your account with per month return of 70 to 80%. On any capital, it can be $1,000, it can be $10,000, it can be $5,000. On any capital one can gain the profit of 75 to 80%, and you can expect that your account will go up to drawdown of 10 to 15%. And in any, this is not sure that your account will go into loss of 10 to 15%, but in any case if it goes, then Flash Trade 1 will bring your account back into the profit and will recover the loss too. So this is how we are trading this account number 2 on our 24/7 live streaming. You can see the account number 2, the total profit is 120k with deposit of $1,000 and withdrawal of $1,100. Here just gold is traded. So this is a high risk strategy. This is the safe risk strategy. And here we are trading multiple pairs or the cross pairs, as we have a good number of, here 100k is deposited, so we have good margin to trade all currency pairs onto this account. Now we'll check the statement of this account, where you can see that 11% is the drawdown of the account. Here the profit is $85,800, just because after I've downloaded this statement, there has been some profit booked on the account, so the $200 difference is coming. Total trades placed on the account is 1145 trades with average profit 185 and average loss 182, containing the risk and reward of the account to be the 1:1 on this account. The real accuracy of the account is 69.9, and if we find the break even of this account, then it comes to be, the break even comes to be 49.5. If we compare it with the previous analysis, then you would be able to find that previous time the real accuracy was 70.1. As of now it has been decreased to 69.9. So by 0.1 the accuracy has been decreased. While break even was 49.9, it has been decreased to 49.5. So overall the trading strategy has been maintained on this account. Risk reward is also maintained 1:1. And as told that 860 percentage profit has been increased on this account, with monthly profit of 75 to 80 percentage on this trade, and daily profit of $250 to $300 on this account. So this is not really just bad, and it's amazing profit if a client just want to trade Euro USD in his or her account. If you have any query, then you can ask our executive and be the part of same profit. Do contact our WhatsApp or Telegram executive. They will guide you about trading. They will guide you about how to be part of our service, everything. We'll meet in the next video. Until that, goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.